Hey you guys, what's up? So it is that time of the month again. The Ipsy Boxycharm box is here. So if you would like to see what's inside this month's box, then just stay tuned. A little disclaimer, Ipsy did send me this box to try. All right, so starting us off in this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box, we have our little Boxycharm newsletter that says Beauty Nightmares. And then on the inside of the newsletter, it has some products as well as some looks that can inspire you for the spooky season. First product in this month's box is the Claras New York Advanced Serum plus Vitamin C. This is going to brighten the skin, minimize the look of pores, and correct uneven skin tone. Next in the box, we've got the 2 Vegan Green Glow Up Cream. This is an anti-wrinkle moisturizer that uses chlorophyll from plants as an anti-inflammatory as well as an antibacterial. So it's going to help reduce acne, it's going to detoxify the skin, and it's also going to help skin regeneration. Next in the box, we've got the Tarte Cosmetics Blush Tape. This is a liquid blush, and this is in the shade Peach. Looks a little something like that. And here is what the applicator looks like. It's just a sponge applicator. And this is buildable. It goes on very, very light, so you can kind of build it up if you want a more saturated, opaque coverage. Next in the Boxycharm box, we've got the Eloise Goddess palette. And can we talk about this packaging? How gorgeous. So pretty. Love it. And here is what it looks like on the inside. It is such a gorgeous, gorgeous palette. And I do have this on my eyes today. And last but not least, in this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box, we've got the Kevyn Aucoin Unforgettable Lipstick, and this is in the shade Modern Love. And this is a cream lipstick, so it looks a little something like this when it comes out of the box. And yeah, right there's the product, and I do have this on today. It is just so cute. Well, that is it, you guys, for this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box. Let me know down in the comments below what product was your favorite or which one you hope to get. With the Boxycharm option, you get 5 full-size beauty products. Subscribers choose 3 products. Everything in the box is worth up to $200, and it's only $30 a month. I just want to say a big thank you to Ipsy for sending me yet another Boxycharm box to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.